I desperately need schools to open full time in September for my child. I'm a single parent. I'm the mother and I am a father. I don't have any other parental support, which means I have a full-time job which I have to return to. If there is no school, then it means that my job is at risk. I rely heavily on after school clubs. There is none. I also rely on holiday clubs for care in the summer holidays. I'm currently on furlough, but I have a return to work date on the 20th of July. My mother has type 1 diabetes, my dad has asthma. They've all been shielding. In terms of homeschooling, it is a battle of will at home, and my child will not engage as well as I want him to. We end up having disagreements. We end up using the naughty step and coming to head-to-head battle. And he's lost so much time in education. He's always struggled with reading and writing, so as one of the weaker children in school as well, he's suffering worse. So I am a key worker for my family. Without my job, then I can't pay my mortgage. So it's as from a working parent's perspective, and also with a child that engages badly at home with education. And I really do need some support from the Welsh Government. Thank you.